Hey guys, my name is Fraedrick and I am one of the co-founders here at Matcha Konomi. Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite face mask. I love this mask because it only needs 2 ingredients, just matcha and water, and it's great for all skin types. This mask is going to leave your face feeling fresh, brightened, and tightened. So let's get started. Now you're going to need about 2 teaspoons of high quality matcha, a whisk or a spoon or something just to mix the matcha into a paste, some warm water, and an applicator, but you could just use your fingers as well. Now you're going to start by adding just a splash of warm water to your 2 teaspoons of matcha, just a little bit, not too much because you don't want it to be too thin. You want a nice thick paste. As we are doing this mask, let's talk about the evidence behind the skin benefits of matcha. It's all about the catechins, and particularly the EGCG. EGCG is believed to protect and benefit the skin by its antioxidant activity. These particular antioxidants are known to protect your skin against free radicals, which can be formed due to many things such as UV light. Those free radicals can enhance the progression of skin aging, wrinkles, and pigmentation. A very interesting study was published in January 2018 in the International Journal of Molecular Science. They studied and analyzed the effect of EGCG on the skin cells in vitro, which means in a lab setting, not on living humans. Among the findings were, it can improve the moisturizing power of the keratinocytes, or skin cells, which can maintain the skin barrier more firmly. Under UV radiation condition, EGCG can reduce the cellular damage and increase hydration capacity of the skin barrier. EGCG demonstrates anti-wrinkling and anti-aging properties. This was one of the many studies that evaluates the benefits of EGCG. Really, there is a lot of data out there supporting this, and the most beautiful thing is all you need is matcha and water and maybe some honey. But don't buy those matcha masks that are filled with chemicals. They are more expensive. You might not know exactly what kind of matcha they're using or what else is in there, and even if they claim those chemicals and preservatives are safe, can they guarantee it doesn't interfere with the matcha benefits? Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you love this video, support our channel by giving us a like, subscribing to our channel, and commenting on the video and letting us know your thoughts. See you later!